In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a complete beginner's guide to Helpcenter AI FAQ page Shopify app. Now, this is such a cool app. It allows you to basically have an AI-powered and SEO-friendly FAQ builder, and I'm going to teach everything you need to know as a beginner. So first of all, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. You can click on that link and it will take you to this page here. And you can go ahead and just press on the install button, and that should go ahead and install it onto your Shopify store. Now, once you press install, it's going to bring up this pop-up here. You just want to press install again. And once you do that, we should be ready to go. So it's going to ask you a bit of onboarding stuff. Is your store live? I'll put my store is live. It's going to go ahead and basically check your URL, and it's basically going to go through your website and it's going to generate content based upon your website. So it's going to do stuff like how to place your order, can I modify after placing it, how long does shipping take. It's got a ton of stuff like that. Now, it's just said something went wrong. For me, it says the store is not live, and I think it's probably right. I don't think I've made it live, but that's fine. We can go ahead and configure it anyway. So the first place we want to go to is the FAQ page here. It may get you to do a free trial here. If it does, just sign up to one of these for a free trial. You get 3 days free, so it's kind of worth it. And you can just test it out, see if it's good for you. So just go ahead and actually approve that on your store. Once you've done that, it should now give you all of the features that you need. And we've got the help desk center up here. But we'll look at the FAQ page first, and we'll go back to that in a minute. So it's going to ask us to get a template first, so we can explore the templates it has here. It's got things like minimalistic, butter, Betty, reach, winder, Adam. We can just pick whichever you want. I'm just going to pick this one here. It doesn't actually matter. Now it's going to ask us to create some questions here. So this is pretty cool. We can press use GPT, and it's going to go through our website and basically scrape data to get questions and answers from the website. So it might take a few seconds to do it, and if your website's bigger, it's going to take a lot longer, but that's okay. It's all going to be worth it, and it'll save you so much time in the long run anyway. So as you can see, it's getting to the end here, almost ready to go. So what we can do here is we can go ahead and we can add a new section if we want to. So the section, we can have an icon. Let's just put that ABC. You can just put a section name as anything you want to, and then you can put the most frequently asked questions section, so you can turn that on or off. We can save it, and then under there we can do an article. So we can do the question, is this ethically sourced? And then down here we can put the answer, yes it is, blah blah blah. And we can press save, and that's going to be one of the questions for our FAQ here. So we can actually turn on or off the questions that we have. So just by doing this, we can turn them on. It says first you have to activate the category before you can do it, so make sure you do that. But that's basically where we can add our FAQ pages into, or like the questions and the answers. Now we can go here and we can actually add the page. So it's quite easy to do. We have to go to navigation. Then once we're in the navigation, we need to pick where we want it to go. For me, I'm going to choose main menu. I'm going to press add menu item. I'm going to go down, and it's going to tell me the next steps. I have to go FAQ/apps/helpcenter. So I'm going to call it FAQ, and I'm going to do /apps/help-center. And I believe I put that in properly. Let's have a look. Or we can copy it from here. /apps/helpcenter. Just like this. And we should save that, and that should set up our page. I can press copy the link as well. That would have copied it. Yes, I've added the link. And now if we go to our store, we can just check to see if it's successfully installed. For some reason it's not showing up yet. I'm not 100% sure why it's not showing up yet. Maybe it takes a second to load. There we go. So we've clicked on it, and we can see, boom, our FAQ page is here. So we've got our questions and answers here, where we can just do this, and we can basically go down, and we can even search into here for the questions. So it's all working as it should be. So now we've finished setup, we can go ahead and press later on this. We can give them a review if we'd like to. So that's the base bit, is the FAQ pages here. It's very simple. You can add a category, you can add an article, you can add a question, you can add a section. Very simple to do in there. You can even translate it to other languages if you want to. So you can add language of AI. Let's say just with Chinese, for example. It's going to take a second, but it's going to AI translate the FAQ page essentially. But yeah, I won't do that. You can do that. You can click off it, and it's going to do in progress, as you can see. Now down here we have some premium features. We have SEO, so we can set up our SEO for it, and you can see this is how it's going to look. So we've got our FAQ page, tags, and our meta description, so we can edit all of that stuff. We've got the translations I showed you. We've got article ratings, so you can do that. You've got your backup, so you can actually back up your FAQs in case you delete them or something. You've got images and FAQs, so it's going to be stuff like the colors, the titles, the template, the images. So this is basically the layout. You can change all of these settings in here very simply. Let me go back here. We've got our white label, so we can remove branding. I think we have to pay for that. Then we have product description content, so we can generate product description content here pretty easily. And then we also have contact form, so we can add a contact form, and we've got their live chat here. So if we go to the help desk section, we can set up this help desk, and they basically have an AI help desk all in this place. The price is relatively affordable, $60 for 400 tickets, so it's not that bad. It's pretty good pricing actually. And we can just basically create an account on here, and we can just integrate it all in with that. So it's pretty simple to do. They've also got product tabs that I just showed you. You can enable that or disable it. You can just go in and customize it. It's going to make everything for you. It's pretty cool. And we've got the contact forms as well, so we can just make a simple contact form page with this app as well. And it just looks nicer than the basic Shopify one essentially. Now we've got the widget here, so this is going to be how it looks. So we can select it and we can customize it, and we can basically build out how it looks. So this is going to be for the questions thing, so we can activate these different elements. And yeah, it's just gonna, this is just gonna be the design. We can change the colors, we can change the fonts, we can change all of that kind of stuff in there. Now for the pricing, one last thing. We've got the basic plan. If we look at the pay monthly, $5.99 for basic, $19.99 a month for the standard plan, and $100 a month for the advanced plan, which basically gives you every single feature. So it's really up to you which one you choose. Give it a go on a 3-day trial first if you actually need all the features, and if not, then you can just skip it over and you can just go for the basic plan. But I'd probably say that by default you'd probably want this plan here. That's basically how you use the app. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.